Day 51 of my weight loss journey. When you have doubts in your mind and you feel like you're giving up or you feel like nothing is happening, I always remember that this is supposed to be difficult. Every good thing in life are sometimes supposed to be very difficult to do, very difficult to achieve. Every one of us has a different path, and this may come easier to other people. So don't compare yourself with them. Just concern with yourself. Control what you can control and not think about any other people. Because if this was easy, then everybody would think that losing weight is not that hard and not that difficult. That's what I'm thinking right now. And I know that this is not an easy way to do, that there's no shortcuts in here, because all I need is time, and all I need is determination to just keep moving and be consistent and don't burn out. So that's my goal. Day 51, I just did my old routine. So that was 5 minutes of shadow boxing, and I really punch like if I was on a heavy bag. And after the shadow boxing, I did some, the normal, the squats, the 3 sets, and 19 repetitions. For day 51, see you on day 52.